Here's a certified 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is a mix of adrenaline, adventure, sport utility, and sports car. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, voice activated climate controls, front and rear parking sensors, and auto shift manual transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,